Hi everyone. In this tutorial, we will show you how to link a web page with a category in Bigcommerce. Connecting pages to specific product categories helps improve navigation, making it easier for customers to find the products they want. Now let's get started. On the Bigcommerce dashboard, we go to your account and then Storefront. We see the Storefront option on the left side of the page as a drop-down. We go to Web Pages. Here, we can edit the URL of an existing page we created, or we can create a new page. After clicking Create New Page, we have options like linking to another website or adding content. For example, if this is our greeting page, we can change the URL to Welcome if we want to update it. This way, we can change the page URL. This is how we change the web page link. When we're done, just save and exit. We can also edit other pages by clicking these three dots, then selecting Edit. Once here, we just need to update the information, such as the greetings. When finished, remember to save and exit. For the contact page, we can also click to edit it in the same way. After making changes, save and accept. We can preview changes on the storefront. When we preview, we see how the updated pages look. For example, if we want to edit a photo, we can select this photo and make the changes. Once we're done editing, just save. This is how we link a web page to a category in Bigcommerce. Organizing content and categories properly can improve customers' experience and even boost store conversions.